Hey guys, Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Eksa GT1 true wireless gaming earbuds. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so these earbuds were sent to me by the Eksa company for free to do this review, so that's what I'm going to do. So let's break these babies out of the box and see what they sent me. Okay, so they sent me here this cool little charging case. Looks like an alien. Got the earbuds here. I really think these are probably the coolest looking earbuds. If you look real close at them there, they kind of look like little alien faces and stuff. So it's all based on alien type mentality, but it's got a cool little charging case like that. A couple of different sizes of these, and a USB-C charging cable to charge it with. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get the earbuds out here. They're cool little earbuds here, and I like their design a lot, but I gotta be honest with you, I don't use earbuds a lot. In fact, I've rarely used them in my life, so it's gonna be real hard for me to give you a personal evaluation of them. Fortunately, I have a son who, if it were possible, would have them implanted permanently into his eardrums. I don't think I've ever seen him more than a few minutes without a pair of earbuds in his life. He walks around with them in his ears all day long, sleeps with them at night. I just call him Mario because he constantly has to have music going in the background. He's a really cool guy, love him to death. And he has a lot more experience with earbuds than I do. So what I'm going to do is give these to him and let him do the evaluation on them for you, because he has the expertise to tell you exactly what he likes and does not like about them, and I don't, guys. So I'm going to give it to the real expert, and I'm going to let him do the evaluation on these. And he's going to come back, and he is going to tell you his opinion of how they did. They look cool to me, so hopefully they're going to pass his approval. So he will test them out, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and I gave these to my son for about a month to let him use them. And like I said before, he has a lot more experience in these things than I do. He has some pretty strong opinions about how these things perform, so I'm going to hand it right over to him and let him tell you what he thinks about these devices.
Hi there. It's the Iceman coming at you with the cold hard facts. Boom. The GT1s by Eksa. The Cobra edition. I've been seeing them being called the Cobras. And here's what these things are. These are gaming earbuds. One thing that a lot of people I've asked about this thing, that I've shown this thing to, they've all said that this thing looks cool. It looks really cool. It looks like something from Halo, it looks like something like from a video game or something. They definitely nailed the gamer aesthetic because, you know, like I said earlier, these things are marketed as gaming earbuds. It's a very stylish, I guess, freaking a pair of earbuds. At least the case is. And then, you know, you open it up and then you see this. These things look about the same as that and as the inside, and they're not too bad for 20 bucks. But here's the thing, something that I neglected to tell you at the beginning of this video because I've never done this before. These things are 50 bucks wherever you're gonna find them, unless you're looking on like a deal on eBay. They're gonna be 50 bucks, and I think that's too much. The only place that I could find that sells these things in any official capacity is the website, the Eksa website itself. And they're asking for 50 bucks. But here's the thing, it's a markdown. The original price that they were asking for is 80 bucks. That's freaking hilarious. If they were 20 or maybe even 30 or 35, I could give more leniency, but $50 is way too much. Way too much of an asking price for these things. The only thing about these earbuds that is for gaming is the look. Whenever I see something that's like labeled gamer or gaming, something that's meant for gaming, I don't really buy it because it's usually just meant to look cool. That's really what they mean. I've been talking about the look of these things. I've been kind of beating around the bush for too long, and here's the thing. The performance. how do they sound? Not great. Not great at all. They sound tinny. They sound like, well, $20 earbuds. Yeah, here's the thing. These things have a significant lack of oomph. Like, whenever you get gaming peripherals, or gaming headphones, gaming earbuds, whatever, stuff that goes on or in your ears, it's going to sound boomy. It's going to sound big. These don't sound big. These sound very subdued. There's a significant lack of bass, I feel, at least whenever I'm listening to music. Also, there's a lack of volume, which is a big problem for me. Here's the thing. You can't turn these things up to where it'll hurt your ears. Some people may not be able to hear these, like, at all because of how weak they are. I have to turn my phone up all the way to get any kind of good sound out of these things. Any kind of good bass that makes like a kind of thing. And with, like I said, with gaming stuff, with gaming headphones and earbuds, you usually want that bass that kind of makes things sound big. But you don't get that with these. You get some mids and you get some like blurry highs. And that's about it. The bass is there, but it's just kind of like meandering in the background, if you know what I'm saying. These things have two modes. One's called music mode and one's called gaming mode. I'm not sure what the difference is because the box and the manual itself refuses to tell me. They're not really clear on the differences between music mode and gaming mode. And I can't really notice one. Maybe they boost the mids and highs and try to lower the latency on game mode, because I think that's what I heard whenever I was gaming. But I tried both modes out and I never made a difference. It sounds exactly the same and it reacts exactly the same. So what the point of having two modes that do basically nothing? It's not a very useful feature is what I'm saying. Yeah, here's the thing. It looks cool. It looks professional. I mean, it looks cool to a lot of people that I've showed it to. So if you want to get this for like your nephew or your grandson or your son that's a pro gamer that plays Minecraft on his tablet, get this, because this is a good gift for them. They probably would think it's cool. And whenever you're at like the age of like, I guess, 9 to 10 to 12, you don't really care about quality, and you're not going to get like a bunch of nitpicks from a kid about this because it looks cool. And that's honestly like the best thing about it. Sadly, because I was actually pretty hyped to review these things, and it just didn't live up to my expectations, I guess. I thought it was going to be like boomy, I thought it was going to be powerful, but it wasn't that, and like I said, if you could get this thing on a more generous sale, like maybe $30, and gift it to somebody that you know or that has a kid that might like these, go for it.
Okay, well there you have it. The expert has spoken. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.